people, good morning. This morning, I'm gonna prepare some breakfast. Welcome back to my channel, All Purpose Kitchen. This morning, I'm gonna fry some whole wheat flour, yeah, and some steamed cabbage for my breakfast. All right, so you stay on the journey with me and watch what I'm doing. Okay. All right, first and foremost, I'm gonna add a little baking powder in the flour. I'm gonna add a little salt. Okay. I'm gonna let it mix up. I had a little cornmeal to the olive flour to get just to keep it moist, you know. Okay, I get some coconut oil in the pot. Fry my dumpling. Yes. Get some dumpling in the pot, my people. Nice little. Uh, Best to put it in the oil and it cool. It soak. It give it more, you know, soak more properly. Golden brown, people. Nice dumpling, people. Yes, some people, I get some season for the cabbage. Got some natural season for the cabbage, people. Good old scratch bonnet pepper. Yes, my people. I get the cabbage cut up now. the season fry up, then I add in the cabbage and some natural seasoning. I'm gonna add some natural powder seasoning to the natural seasoning of the pot. And I'm gonna get my cabbage in. There you go. Yeah, some people, I'm gonna cover the pot and make it the cabbage itself, steam water itself. So I'm gonna get it covered and wait on it to simmer. Alright, cabbage supposed to ready now. Steam it too soft. Yeah, tasting good. Okay, I get out the cabbage now. Get on some mint tea. Alright, people. The final touch of it. Wow, looking so delicious. My nah. My. Alright, people. That is it. That is finished. I want it too soft. I'm gonna get on some water. Get on some water in this pot. Some people put the mint in the pot and boil it, but I don't do it like that. I boil the water, wash the mint and put it in and cover it and make it steam. Get it dry, you know. When the water boil up and everything, you just get the mint inside, turn it off, get the mint inside, cover it and make it dry, right? Yeah, my people, you can see water boil up. So I'm gonna do now, I'm just drop the mint inside it like this. Cover it, turn off the stove and make it dry, you know. That's how we do it. We don't boil the mint like how some people do it. We just do it like that. Okay, my people. This is what I did this morning. Some whole wheat flour fried dumpling with some steamed cabbage and some mint tea for my breakfast this morning. You guys will see the finishing. Okay, so just stay tuned, alright? Thank you. Yeah, my people. Nice breakfast. Say, look, like, share, and subscribe, and share it out to the friend and family. See? Share out the thing, man. Cause right now, if you want some other food, I'm gonna share it out here if you come feed. You see it? So share out the thing and thumbs up and subscribe, alright? Blessing, man. I'm gonna have this for my breakfast now. You see it? Nice mint tea and some nice whole wheat fried dumpling with some nice cabbage. So you guys, thank you for watching, alright? Do the right thing, please.